Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to learn about the elements of a mystery story. In our new task, you are going to be learning how to write your own mystery story for the CDI. So it's important to know what you need to have in your mystery story, and we're going to learn that today. So the first thing that you need to have in your mystery story are your characters. Now, there are two kinds of characters that you can have and should have in your mystery story. The first one, fancy word, is called a suspect. And that's a character or characters who may have committed the crime or caused the problem. Maybe they stole something or hid something from someone. So that's called the suspect. That's one character or more. And then another character, a different character, is called the detective. And they're the character or characters trying to solve the mystery. They're trying to figure out how to solve their problem. So the first thing we need to have in our mystery story are characters. Then the next element of a mystery is the setting. And we know that the setting means where and when the story takes place. And a lot of times the setting can help create the mood of the story. For example, if it's taking place at nighttime in this spooky house, or in a deep forest, or in this crazy castle in a faraway land, or inside a school, but maybe after the school is closed for the day. So having a setting can help create a fun mood or a spooky mood for your story. And then we have elements of a mystery, but they're called the plot. And those just mean the events in the story. And usually a mystery story includes one of the following. So it should have either a problem that needs to be solved or an event that cannot be explained, like something happens and the characters are trying to figure out what it is. They don't know what it is. Or something is lost or went missing. That could be something that happened in your story. Or someone can commit a crime and people are trying to figure out who committed that crime and why. So that can be all the different types of events or your plot in your story. And then usually in a mystery story, there are clues. Those are hints that help the detective, the character trying to figure out the problem, solve the mystery, and also the reader of your story. So if you try to give clues to your reader, they may be able to figure out the mystery as well. And then finally, we have the solution, how the problem is solved. And the character hopefully solves the mystery by using the clues and figuring out what went wrong. And boys and girls, there you have it. Those are all of the different elements of a mystery story, and you want to make sure that you have all of those in your story for this task. It's going to be so much fun.